What's up, y'all? So I haven't been on YouTube in a minute, but I'm back, and today I'm going to be doing an initial review of this wig from ilikehair.com. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Let's see. So first of all, the box is really nice. It's like a shoebox or like a luxury box. And then, you know, it comes with the card in here. Hi, I am what you have been waiting for. ilikehair.com. And then, you know, just some information on the back. Social media stuff. Has some wrapping paper. And of course, the hair. So before we get into the hair, there's some other stuff in the box. It also came with this cute little bag. Let's see what's inside. Okay, it came with a wig strap, an adjustable wig strap for the wig. Ooh, it came with a bonnet, a nice little silk pink bonnet, okay? Period. Cool. Came with wig cap, of course. Came a little brush comb. I guess you can use these for your edges, but this is a brow comb. But I think you can, yeah, you can use these for your edges too. So I'll be using that. Oh, and a pair of tweezers so I could pluck the wig. And it also came with this. I'm gonna open this up. I'm not sure what it is, but oh, it's a headband. It's cute. And it came with a comb. So that's super cute. They gave me everything that I need to install my wig. And then this is the hair. It feels nice and soft. I know with, obviously this is human hair, but obviously it's not virgin because once it's colored, it's no longer virgin hair. So I know with blondes, like you get these little strays and stuff, but for the most part, it's really nice. It's soft. I can run my fingers through it. I'm not getting any shedding. Oh, just one little hair, let me see. Oh, there's a little light shedding. Nothing crazy. It's like no shedding. It's got like one or two little pieces, so nothing crazy. Regular wig cap construction. This is, I think this is a 13x4 parting. 13x6. Looks like 13x6 parting. Space, lace front. Your adjustable straps. There's lace in the back. I just cut that off. I don't really do too much in the back because I don't really wear my wigs up like that. So y'all just be cutting that off. And yeah, overall it looks nice. So I'm going to come back with another video. This was just my initial review of the hair. I'm gonna come back with another video doing the install. I like the parting space, like a deep part. I hate when wigs like stop appearing. You get that little bit of parting space. We don't want that. So yeah, I think with this I might do a side part. I'm not sure. I usually wear a middle part, but we'll see how it looks in my next video. So stay tuned, and I'll be back.